In the depths of the digital universe, a beacon of knowledge and entertainment emerges, illuminating the endless expanse of the World Wide Web. Welcome to the realm of Wisdom Studios. Unravel the enigma of trading, where fortunes rise and fall with the pulse of the global market. Delve into the intricate strategies, dissect the trends, and grasp the art of financial maneuvering. Drift into the vibrant, unpredictable world of vlogs. Witness the unscripted, the unexpected, and the utterly unique. Every story is a tapestry woven from the threads of everyday life, yet no two tales are the same. Step into the exhilarating arena of gaming. Feel the rush of adrenaline, the thrill of victory, the sting of defeat. Each button press, each strategic move, each triumphant cheer echoes in the halls of this digital coliseum. Immerse in the enlightening realm of podcasts. Listen to the voices of wisdom, the whispers of experience, the echoes of knowledge. Every word is a nugget of wisdom, every sentence a pathway to enlightenment. Venture into the cutting-edge domain of tech reviews. Explore the latest gadgets, the newest innovations, the future of technology. Every device holds a promise, every innovation a step towards the future. Unearth the secrets of computer hacks. Discover the hidden shortcuts, the unseen pathways, the secret codes. Every hack is a key, every code a door to a new digital dimension. Embark on a journey through educational tutorials. Learn the complex, understand the intricate, master the difficult. Every lesson is a milestone, every tutorial a step towards mastery. Wisdom Studios, a universe of content founded by the innovative Adekplorvi Wisdom Kofi, awaits your exploration. Traverse the diverse landscapes of knowledge and entertainment, and you'll find yourself returning time and again, thirsty for more. So why wait? Embark on this journey of discovery. Subscribe now, delve into the depths of Wisdom Studios, and unlock your potential. You don't want to miss out on this adventure. After all, the road to wisdom is a journey that never ends.